In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Copilot account. We'll keep this simple and straightforward, and by the end, you'll be signed in and ready to start using Microsoft Copilot. This process is quick, and you can complete it in just a few moments if you already have a Google account or a Microsoft account available. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Copilot website. Once the page loads, you should see the main Copilot homepage. This is the official starting point, so make sure you're on the correct site before continuing. When you're on the home page, look for the sign in option and click on it. This will take you to the login screen where Copilot gives you different ways to access your account. If this is your first time, don't worry. Even though it says sign in, this is also how many users effectively create access to Copilot for the first time, because your existing account can be used to get started right away. On the login page, choose whether you want to continue with Google or Microsoft. Pick the option that matches the account you'd prefer to use. If you already rely on Google services, signing in with Google may be the most convenient. If you're already using Microsoft products like Outlook, OneDrive, or Windows with a Microsoft account, then the Microsoft option may be a better fit. After selecting your preferred sign-in method, you'll be prompted to choose the account you want to use. If you have multiple accounts saved in your browser, you'll likely see a list of them. Simply click the one you want to connect to Copilot. If the account you want doesn't appear right away, you may need to manually sign in with that account before proceeding. At this stage, just follow the on-screen prompts to complete the login. Depending on your account settings, you may be asked to confirm your identity or approve permissions. This is normal and helps keep your account secure. Once that's done, you should be signed into Copilot and ready to use it. A helpful tip here is to remember which sign-in method you chose, especially if you plan to come back later from another device. Using the same account each time helps avoid confusion and keeps your chat history and preferences consistent. And that's it. That's how to create a Copilot account and get signed in quickly.